Let's be real. If your thumbnail sucks, no one's clicking your video. But what if I told you there's a tool that makes pro-level thumbnails just from a prompt? No Photoshop, no design skills. Sounds fake, right? Well, I tried it and it blew my mind. This is Adventure AI, a tool built for creators like you and me. You just type in what you want and it turns your prompt into a high-quality thumbnail automatically. Now here's where it gets interesting. You get 100 free credits just for signing up. And if you use my link, you'll get extra credits on top of that, whether you're using the free plan or going premium. Let me walk you through how it works. First, open your browser and search for Adventure AI. Click the first link. You'll land on their homepage and you'll already see how crazy and awesome the sample thumbnails are. Now let's dive in. Click Try for free, then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Continue with Google to log in. Once you're inside, you'll see that Adventure AI offers 4 generation models: Thumbnails, Thumbnails V2 Pro, Genesis Pro, and Genesis 1.0. It also includes an image upscaler and editor, so you can fine-tune or enhance your images after they're generated. Now I'm going to test each model using a few prompts I've prepared. Let's start with the Thumbnails model. In this one, style reference is disabled, and the resolution is locked to a 16:9 ratio. It also gives you preset styles from top creators. I'll pick the MrBeast style for this first prompt. I'll paste in my prompt and click Generate. Now we wait for the result, and boom. Tell me this doesn't scream viral content. You might be wondering, why does it show MrBeast's face? That's because I chose the MrBeast preset style. Don't worry, I'll test more styles so you can see how it all works. If you're happy with the thumbnail, just click Download to save it. Or if you want to tweak it a bit, click Edit and keep going. Next, let's try the Draw preset style using the same prompt. Now I'll switch from Draw to Nix style and generate again. This looks amazing, clean, bright, and unique. If you want to put your own face on the thumbnail, just download the image and use any face swap AI tool. It's fast and easy, and it works really well. Now let's try one more using the background IRL style. This option is perfect if you don't want any faces on your thumbnail at all. If the resolution looks low, just click Send to Upscaler. The image might not appear right away, but don't worry. Just click Upscale, and it'll render in a few seconds. All right, time to try the Genesis Pro model using a different prompt. This model allows style references, so you can upload your own image style if you want. But for now, I'll stick to the prompt only. There are a ton of style options available here. First, I'll choose Realistic, paste in my prompt, and click Generate. Just look at the detail. Everything's sharp, clean, and visually stunning. Let's try the photographic style next. Yep, still awesome. Now I'm switching to the Genesis 1.0 model. I'll select Realistic again and try a new prompt. Then I'll test one more using the photographic style. These results, they're thumbnail gold. Adventure AI is fast, easy to use, and honestly, kind of addictive. But beyond that, it's smart. Because great thumbnails are what drive your views. And now, you don't need Photoshop, Canva, or a designer. You just need an idea. Adventure AI does the rest. Now, let's talk plans. You start with 100 free credits just for signing up. But if you're serious about creating thumbnails consistently, you'll want to look at the premium plans. There's a $9 a month plan for basic generation. But for just $4 more, $13 total, you unlock high-resolution thumbnails, faster rendering, and more advanced styles. Honestly, that $4 makes a huge difference. If you can, go with the $13 plan. You'll get way more value and cleaner results. And don't forget, use my link when you sign up to get even more credits, no matter which plan you choose. Don't leave that on the table. More credits means more thumbnails means more views. So, go wild. Adventure AI is the real deal. You'll be shocked at how good your thumbnails turn out. Your content deserves better thumbnails. And now making them is fast, easy, and fun. Try it and thank me later.